What if I say a swear word?
Go ahead and try. See what happens.
No. Kid swearing is not allowed in our household, okay?
This isn't your house, bitch.
Oh no, you said a bad
no,
word.
you didn't.
Can you guess what color the slime really is? Did you get it right?
I'm the girl you die for. I'll chew you up and I'll spit you out, 'cause that's sweet.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
If you wanna run away with me, I know a galaxy and I can take you for a ride. I had a premonition that we fell into a rhythm where the music don't stop for life. Glitter in the sky, glitter in
You need a
If you was to go to jail today, what do your friends think you would go to jail for? So I want you to share this to your friends, see what they say, then come back here and let me know.
You ready?
Send this to someone you'll remember forever. I love you and I always will.
Say I love you. Say you.
Me.
No, you.
Me.
No, you.
Me.